GMKtec NucBox G3+, compact powerhouse for modern computing. The GMKtec NucBox G3+ is a compact and powerful mini PC designed for productivity, media, and light gaming. Powered by the Intel N150 processor, turbo up to 3.6 GHz, it features 16GB DDR4 RAM and a 1TB PCIe M.2 NVMe SSD, offering fast, responsive performance in a small form factor. Its sleek, space-saving design, 115/108 makes it ideal for desktops with limited room or as a portable solution. The integrated Intel UHD graphics supports smooth 4K video playback and dual monitor setups via 2 HDMI ports, perfect for multitasking or media streaming. With Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and 2.5G RJ45 Ethernet, connectivity is fast and reliable. It also includes 4 USB 3.2 ports, providing plenty of options for peripherals. The system runs Windows 11 Pro out of the box and supports Linux for advanced users. Despite its power, the NucBox G3+ remains nearly silent thanks to its efficient cooling system. It's perfect for office work, home entertainment, retro gaming, or even as a compact home server. Overall, it's a well-balanced, quiet, and versatile mini PC that punches above its size, ideal for users seeking performance without the bulk.